What is my favorite word from the Bible? Love. What is my favorite name in the Bible? Jesus. What is my favorite task from the Bible? Peace. We all need peace, but it is not enough to love peace. We must make peace, because sometimes the peace lovers become obstacles to real peace. Sometimes we compromise. Sometimes we cut corners. Sometimes we just mediate without really seeking peace. The real peacemaker is willing to love, is willing to die for peace. In the words of our Holy Father, dare to pardon, dare to show peace, dare to show forgiveness, even for those who do not ask for them. Even before they ask, give pardon, give peace, give love. That is what to be Jesus means.